I told it's in this person. They get really mad at us.
Don't do the talking later.
It takes us 3 minutes. It takes her 3 minutes to get out, so that's good. Well, last time we did it, it did. She's gonna see us. I'll pretend I'm not there just in case she sees us. Oh, shit. Fuck. You're like, oh my god. Doorbell ditch.
Where?
I'm filming them.
You can't film. Are they coming out?
I'm filming it.
You knew those people right across the street.
Yes, we did.
Oh, don't do them. That man is mean.
He is? Woman.
Yeah, the man that lives there chased me in my car and honked at me.
Oh, I see her.
Don't do it.
She's coming. It's a man. Lock the door. Shit. She's coming. Don't answer, Mommy. Don't answer, Mommy. He's down there. Holy frijoles. Dude, did you hear that? Don't answer. What the? What? I saw it. He knows I'm filming. Don't answer, Mommy.
What did he say?
I have no idea.
Wait, hold on.